Good evening, everyone. This is Preston filling in for Pat. Today is Monday, June 14th, 4:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or it's just Eastern Time. We have right here the British pound. We have a contract low. We have rolled over to a new start date, part of Patrick's method. The contract low is marked at 1.4071. We have two HVAs here. The bottom range is 1.4090. The top of this HVA is 1.4121. The second HVA ranged from 1.4142 to its top of 1.4170. The HVA or contract high is marked at 1.4176. And today's range is from around a high of 1.4131 to the contract low. Next up, we have gold here. We have a new contract low in gold that is at 1845.7. And then we have several HVAs marked for us. The first being a range of 1847.4 to 1859.2. The next HVA range is 1865.1 to 1874.5. The third HVA we have starts at 1877.4 to 1886.2. Lastly, our final HVA here for gold right now is 1892.4 to 1898.2. Finally, here in oil, we have four HVAs starting with the bottom here with a range of 68.27 to 68.87. The next being 69.08 to 69.68. The third HVA has a range of 69.88 to a 70.49. Lastly, the last HVA has a range from 70.68 to 71.27, with a new contract high in oil at 71.78. Good evening, everybody. Again, this is Preston filling in for Patrick. Today is Monday, June 14th, 2021 at 4:52 p.m. Eastern. Let's start off with micro gold. We have a new contract low in micro gold at 1,845.8. And then we have four HVAs marked for us for tomorrow's trading. The bottom HVA here has a range of 1,847.7 to 1,859.1. Our following HVA's range is 1,865.2 to 1,873.8. Following that, we have another range of 1,877.3 all the way to 1,886.1. Our last HVA here in the micro gold is 1,892.4 to 1,898.2. Next, we have the micro ES. We have four HVAs for us. The bottom one starting at 4,204.25 to 4,209.75. Following that, we have another range of 4,214.25 to 4,221.75. The third HVA here has a range of 4,226 to 4,231.75. Following that is our last HVA here in the micro ES at 4,240.25 to its high of 4,247.75. We have a contract high that was previously set that still is there at 4,249. Lastly, we have the micro NASDAQ with 4 HVAs as well, starting with the bottom HVA range of 13,848.75 to 13,892.75. Next, we have a range of 13,907.5 all the way to 13,966.5. Third HVA level of 13,984 to 14,025.25. Our last HVA for the micro NASDAQ is at 14,045.5 to 14,102.5, with a new contract high in this current market at 14,125.75. Again, these are for tomorrow's HVAs. Today is Monday, June 14th, so we'll be using these tomorrow from now on through tomorrow. It's pit session. So if you like what we're doing and want to learn more, just contact us through our Facebook page. There's an email there and a phone number. Good evening, everybody. Again, this is Preston filling in for Patrick. It is June 14th, Monday at 4:48 Eastern. Starting here in the Dow for our equities, we have a HVA range of 33,873 to 33,963. Our next HVA range is 34,023 to 34,114. Next, we have a range of 34,144 to 34,203. Our following HVA is a range of 34,235 to 34,223. Lastly, we have this HVA up here at 34,535 to 34,625. Next, we have the ES. This HVA down below has a range of 4,214.25 to 4,221.75. Next, our HVA range is 4,224 to 4,230. Our third HVA here in the ES starts at 4,236 to 4,242. Lastly, our final HVA goes from 4,245.25 to the new contract high of 4,249. Finally, here for us in the equities, we have the NASDAQ. Our bottom HVA starts at 13,772.75 to 13,816.75. Next, we have a range of 13,849.25 to 13,891.5. Following that, we have a range of 13,908 to 13,968.75. Next, we have another HVA range of 13,982.75 to 14,026.75. Lastly, our last HVA here for the day trading tomorrow will be 14,043.75, with a high of that HVA being at 14,102.75, with a new contract high clocking in at 14,126.